How to delete your story on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To delete your story on TikTok, first and foremost, install the TikTok app in your device. Once installed, launch a TikTok application. Make sure to sign in into your account. Now over here, to delete your story, you can tap on the profile icon at the bottom. Then click on your story. Go ahead and swipe up. In your left-hand corner, you will see a trash can icon. You can click on it. Then click on the delete button. And just like that, with a simple click, you have easily deleted your story on TikTok. You can also delete your story from the inbox section. Wasn't it simple? If you face any of the difficulty regarding this process, you need to check out for the cache buildup. In order to do so, press and hold onto your app, head to App Info. Then start off by force stopping it, press on OK, head to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing the problem. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.